Going on, guys? Today's video is a pump repair that I did actually a couple weeks ago. This is on one of my regular customers' pools. Very common part that just wears on these. There's a mechanical seal that sits between the impeller and the housing. It's what actually mechanically seals the motor and housing to keep it from leaking back into the motor. As you see here, I wanted to do this without cutting the PVC because I did not have any PVC fittings, so I'm trying to rotate the front housing from the back. Part of the housing in the motor, I had to take that fitting off to get to it. So next step, we are going to take the housing apart, get to the impeller. The impeller is a screw through. It actually screws to the armature all the way through the motor, and so I'm going to have to get my channel locks here, lock the armature or the shaft, pull the impeller off, start tearing it apart. I actually decided to just pull the housing, the back half of the housing off the motor. Usually a little easier to get that back half of the seal out. Moving on to the next step, we get it all put back together. New seal in there, quick tap in, and then we progressively move on. These Knipex pliers, or not Knipex, but Crescent pliers are some of my favorite. They work really great for this job. Get it all bolted back together. Just hand tight when you put the impeller back. Housing O-ring, sometimes you got to stretch it out to get it to seat right. Put it back together. Should be 8 to 9 bolts on this housing. It should be 8. Get it all tightened back up. Replace the O-ring on the front half of the housing to get it bolted back together. And then we are going to progressively put this on to the next step and get it all screwed back together. And as you can see, I'm kind of cleaning the base where it sits. Had a big clump of mud and leaves below it. Just wanted it to be clean. These motors breathe. They pull in air from the underside of the motor, so you don't want them to get all nasty and cruded up. It'll cause them to overheat. So, especially sitting out in the sunlight during the day, heat of the day. Put our fitting back in, get our hose back on, reclamp everything down, and we are there and done. That's it.